Hey everyone, welcome to Future Business School's Book Bites. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful self-help books out there, Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. This book is all about taking control of your life, mastering your emotions, and achieving lasting success. Let's break down some life-changing lessons that can help you unlock your inner potential.
Absolutely. Tony Robbins' message in this book is clear. We all have an incredible power within us to shape our lives. Through conscious decision-making, taking action, and mastering our mindset, we can achieve the extraordinary. Let's explore how you can do just that.
The power of decisions. The core message of the book is that your decisions shape your destiny. Robbins argues that it's not our conditions but our decisions that determine our success. Imagine a student deciding to start studying early for an exam rather than procrastinating. That one decision can drastically affect the outcome. Decisions like this compound over time to create the life we want.
Pain and pleasure drive all human behavior. Robbins introduces the concept that all human behavior is driven by the desire to avoid pain and gain pleasure. Real-life example. Think about someone trying to quit smoking. The pain of health consequences pushes them to stop, while the pleasure of feeling healthier pulls them towards the new behavior. Recognizing this can help you shift your mindset and change any habit.
Raise your standards. Robbins encourages readers to raise their standards to create change. For example, if someone has always seen themselves as bad with money, they can decide to raise their standards by setting new financial goals and sticking to a budget. It's about defining what you will no longer tolerate and committing to a new level of excellence in your life.
Often, we are held back by our limiting beliefs, those negative thoughts that tell us we can't achieve something. Robbins talks about replacing these with empowering beliefs. Consider someone who constantly says, "I'm not good enough to get promoted." That belief will prevent them from even trying. But if they replace it with, "I'm capable of learning and growing," it changes their actions and outcomes.
Robbins emphasizes the importance of managing your mental and emotional state. When you feel energized, positive, and confident, you are more likely to take action. A simple example is a public speaker who pumps themselves up before going on stage, using techniques like visualization and affirmations to shift their state into confidence and enthusiasm.
Tony Robbins teaches that you can change your state by focusing on three things: what you focus on, how you use your body, physiology, and the language you use. For example, a person having a bad day might be slouched over and saying things like, "Nothing ever works out for me." If they shift their focus to solutions, stand tall, and use more empowering language, they can instantly feel better.
Small changes create massive results. Robbins explains that small changes repeated consistently lead to massive results over time. Think about an athlete who makes a small adjustment to their training routine, like adding just 10 minutes of stretching each day. Over time, that small tweak can prevent injury, improve performance, and lead to success on the field. This idea applies to all areas of life. Small, consistent changes create giant outcomes.
Focus on what you want, not what you fear. Many of us focus on what we fear rather than what we want. Robbins says that what you focus on grows. For instance, if you constantly think about your fear of failure, that's what you'll experience. On the other hand, if you focus on success and visualize yourself achieving it, that's the direction your life will go. This can be applied to everyday goals, like focusing on the outcome you want at work rather than worrying about what could go wrong.
Take immediate action. One of the most powerful messages in the book is that successful people take immediate action. They don't wait for the perfect time or situation. For example, think of someone who's been dreaming about starting a business. Instead of waiting until everything is just right, they take small steps today, whether it's doing research, creating a business plan, or finding a mentor.
The power of rituals. Robbins explains that success comes from developing empowering rituals. For example, someone who wants to get in shape can develop the ritual of exercising for 30 minutes each morning. These daily actions create long-term success. By identifying what habits and rituals successful people follow, you can start incorporating them into your life.
Reframe problems as opportunities. Tony Robbins advises us to reframe challenges as opportunities. For example, when faced with a difficult project at work, instead of seeing it as a problem, you can view it as an opportunity to learn new skills and grow in your career. This shift in perspective can turn obstacles into stepping stones for success.
The power of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that Robbins highlights. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. A real-life example: imagine a professional going through a tough time at work. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, they take a moment each morning to write down 3 things they're grateful for. This practice can transform their outlook and increase happiness.
Surround yourself with positive influences. Your environment shapes your success. Robbins encourages readers to surround themselves with people who uplift them and push them towards their goals. Consider how an entrepreneur who joins a mastermind group of other successful entrepreneurs will be more motivated and inspired to reach their own goals compared to someone surrounded by negative influences.
Emotional mastery. You are in control. Robbins teaches that emotional mastery is about understanding that we are in control of our emotions. Instead of letting external circumstances dictate how we feel, we can choose how to respond. Imagine being stuck in traffic and feeling the frustration build up. By choosing to stay calm and reframe the situation, you avoid unnecessary stress and maintain control over your emotions.
Setting smart goals. Robbins advocates for setting smart goals. Goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, a smart goal would be, I will work out for 30 minutes, 5 times a week, for the next 3 months. This type of goal setting gives you a clear direction and makes success more likely.
Contribution, the secret to fulfillment. In the end, Robbins reminds us that true fulfillment comes from contribution. Helping others and giving back is what makes life meaningful. For instance, someone who volunteers regularly or mentors a young professional may find greater satisfaction than simply focusing on their own success.
Awaken the Giant Within is a powerful guide to taking control of your life, mastering your emotions, and achieving lasting success. Robbins shows us that we all have the potential to create the life we want, starting with the decisions we make each day.
By implementing the lessons from this book, whether it's changing your limiting beliefs, taking immediate action, or setting empowering rituals, you can unlock your full potential. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Future Business School's Book Bites. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue learning, keep pushing boundaries, and stay tuned for more content designed to help you succeed.